Now I'm going to grab the trailer, get it in here underneath the body, and see if we can't get this part to work as well as the last part. Help us. Watch out. Alright, so got the trailer in here. We're going to try and lower the body right onto the trailer, and hopefully all goes well. See if we hear any cracking or breaking. A little bit cracking over that. No biggie. That's it, she's off. Yeah, like I was saying, the roll cage being in this thing really helped out a lot. Because now I'm not worried about bending the body up or nothing when we're picking it up. Seems pretty sturdy, but I'm gonna run a couple ratchet straps through the doors here and ratchet strap it to the frame, to the trailer, I mean. That way when we're moving it back and forth, then we don't worry about it falling off. All right, I'll grab some ratchet straps and I'll be right back. All right, so got a hook to the trailer, and we're gonna try and put it in my other garage over here. The problem is it's kind of close to the tailgate, so I really can't turn that sharp. So we're gonna have to take a real wide sweeping corner through my yard here to see if we can't get it lined up better for the garage. where it'll spend the next probably year and a half by the time we get the rest of the stuff done and ready for the body to be put back on. But that worked out good. All right, so we got everything moved. See, the lift behind me is free again, so we got stuff moved. The body's in the other garage. We got the chassis in this side. So now we can start working on it whenever I get the opportunity. Start figuring out how we want to do the chassis, what we want it to look like, what kind of roll bars, how we want to do the roll bars, stuff like that, and then we'll go from there. Supervisor looks tired today. Look at her. She's been out running around. So, well, all right. Well, thank you guys for watching again, and subscribe and hit like, and we'll catch you next time.